essentially the same thing as the previous outfit because I have... Really, Bowser? Hello my fashion friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I want to show you guys some dressy casual outfits. These are just some outfit ideas to take your casual outfit up a notch. They are super duper easy. They look harder than they really are. They're so easy. Let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is the first dressy casual outfit. Now this outfit is more on the dressier end of the spectrum, but you could still get away with this in a casual setting, especially if you pair this with some sandals, some loafers, or just some, dressier flats. So here we go for the first top half. I just have a nice simple blush button down blouse here. Very easy. You can definitely dress this down or up, but I love the color blush. As you guys know, it's a great neutral color. It goes great with every single color, so I love that. And I also love that it's long sleeve because it just gives you a little bit more of a sophistication to it. And then I just paired it with this nice black vest right here. It kind of has a tuxedo style the way it's cut, so I really like that. And then I went ahead and paired it with some high-waisted leather pants, some skinny pants. I love these leather pants. I got them from Fashion Nova. They are super duper comfortable, great quality. I've worn them a few times and they still are pretty much intact, so I love these. So here is just your first outfit here. Now I didn't want to throw on my heels because if I wore heels with this, it would take it from dressy casual to dressy. So I think the best thing to do would be to wear some flats with this, some nice loafers with this would be great. But as you guys know, I've mentioned it before, I'm not a huge loafers fan. I don't have any loafers actually, so I don't have that. But if I was wearing this, I would wear heels, but just to dress it down, go ahead and throw on some flats or some nice loafers. Alright you guys, so here is the next dressy casual outfit. Now I really like this outfit because I want to make a quick little point. A lot of women tell me that they love my style, but it's not their style. A lot of times they tell me that their style is a simple t-shirt, jeans, some flip-flops, and a jacket, or t-shirt, jeans, a jacket, and some sneakers. Well, I mean, if you look at it, that's essentially my same uniform as well, because that is essentially what I'm doing in this outfit as well. How about instead of the regular t-shirt, put on a button down instead? It's still a top, right? You're not going to go out of the house without wearing a top. So swap the t-shirt for a nice button down. Instead of, just your, whatever jacket you wear, swap out the jacket for a nice blazer. You're still wearing a jacket. You're still wearing a piece that's over your shirt. So you haven't gone above and beyond and changed anything, okay? You've just swapped out the pieces you would already wear into something that kind of steps it up a notch, okay? And then the jeans, hey, these are jeans too. I wear jeans all the time too, and I'm always in flip-flops and sneakers, so that's not a huge deal. So a lot of times people, think that it's harder than it really is. So this is essentially a t-shirt, a jacket, some jeans, and then if I were to wear some flip-flops or some sneakers, I would wear those. But it's essentially the same thing. So I kind of just wanted to make that quick little point because a lot of women say, well, their uniform is really super duper casual, which is great, but this is another, really nice spin on the casual look. So I just wanted to show you guys that it could essentially still be the same thing and the same amount of effort that you're putting into your outfit. So anyway, let me quickly talk about this before I get to rambling too much. So the top half here is just a nice button down. It goes really long. It's a long line button down here with some stripes, and then on top of that I have a nice floral blazer with a black background. I really like this blazer because it is a long line blazer as well. I love that long blazer look because it covers up my booty area, so it gives me a lot of coverage back here. And this is a really great way to mix prints as well. You have the stripe on the inside and then the printed floral detail on the blazer as well. They're not competing too much, so this is just a really easy way to mix those prints. And then of course my high-waisted jeans here with some rips at the knees. This is a super duper casual look with the jeans. I love the dark denim wash on these, and so if I were to wear this outfit, I probably would just throw on some flip-flops or some sneakers and I would be out the door. So it's a really easy outfit, just kind of a different way of looking at the same old t-shirt, jacket, and jeans look. So this is one way that you could accomplish that look. but just taking it up a notch. Alright you guys, so here is the next look. It's very similar to the previous look that I just showed you, but I want you guys to realize that you can really dress up a regular casual t-shirt and jeans. You can really just take it up a notch. So very similar to the previous look, except for this time I threw on just a regular black blazer. Some of you guys may not have a printed black blazer, so a regular blazer will work as well. I just threw on a nice little tie, a deconstructed tie, because I wanted to give it that casual vibe. I really like the pink color because it is very feminine and it's not trying too hard, and it just looks really soft and toned down. And then I just have a regular white t-shirt underneath that I tied up at the front. So as you guys can see, you can really kind of take up the traditional t-shirt and jeans look and make it look dressy, but not going above and beyond trying to make it look like, you know, super duper fancy. And then I just have some regular light wash high-waisted denim. These are actually the same jeans as the previous outfit, but this is in the light wash version. I love that. So it's very easy. If you guys don't want to wear this tie, simply take it off. Take off the tie, right? And don't wear a tie. Just wear a simple t-shirt, jeans, and a blazer. Or you can even substitute the tie for a scarf. A nice little neck scarf would do, or a full-on, you know, winter scarf will do as well. Just to kind of add one more accessory into it, but you don't have to wear a tie. I don't think you have to go out and buy ties or anything. But I just want to give you guys different ideas of what you guys can do. So here is just another way to dress up that casual t-shirt and jeans into a nice dressy casual look. Okay, so here is the next dressy casual outfit. We're dressing up t-shirt and jeans once again. Now on one of my recent videos, I was wearing these same shorts. I had these shorts, a black button down, and a nude blazer. And I got a lot of emails asking me about that outfit and how would I style shorts just in general, I guess. And to kind of class up shorts, because these shorts are kind of short, but they really liked the way that I kind of dressed up and classed up those shorts. And so I got a lot of requests asking me to style shorts. So I figured I might as well do it again since you guys liked it. So here is just another outfit here. Once again, the top half is really covered up because the shorts are pretty short. So for the top half, I just have a silk cami right here. It's in an olive color. And then on top of that, for added coverage, I have this really nice long line shirt. Now, I'm not sure if this shirt is supposed to be a tunic dress style t-shirt dress or just a top, because on me, I mean, if I were to wear this as a dress, it would be pretty short. So I wouldn't wear this as a dress. I kind of use it as more of a layering piece. But I'm 5'6". If you were shorter than me, maybe like 5'2", 5 feet, this might be an appropriate length for you. But I like using it just as kind of a layering piece up top. So I like that. It's just a striped shirt here with red, black, and tan. And then I just have those same shorts from the previous video. These shorts are from Fashion Nova. I really like this outfit because although the shorts are pretty short, it still looks very classy and modern. So here's just another way that you can dress up shorts. Not from the back. It doesn't look like I have anything on underneath, but of course y'all know I do. So but yeah, I really like this outfit. Really easy, you guys. Just another quick way to dress up the t-shirt and jeans. So if that is your go-to uniform, these are some really nice ideas of how to kind of take it up a notch and not just rely on saying, I'm a t-shirt and jeans girl. That's great, so am I. But I think that you can also kind of take it up a notch by, you know, utilizing some of the ideas that I've showed you guys in this video. Alright, well that does it for me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and got some outfit inspiration on how to dress up the traditional t-shirt and jeans into a more dressy casual outfit. I love the good old t-shirt and jeans, but I also love to kind of take it up a notch, add a few bells and whistles here and there without doing too much and not being super duper extra. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you found that you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. I would love to have you join my fashion family. I do a lot of fashion and styling videos on this channel. You will definitely learn a lot. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so that you are notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, please come back in a timely fashion.